Hey, what's up guys? My name is Takeshi, and on this video I want to talk about Japanese greeting. So it's going to be very basic and I'm going to keep it short. So for those who just started learning Japanese, I think this should be a perfect video. So without further ado, let's get started. The first expression is Ohayou, which means good morning. Ohayou. And the polite form of this is Ohayou-gozaimasu. Ohayou-gozaimasu. So by nature, if you're trying to say things more polite form, it's gonna be a little bit longer. But I mean, there's definitely time and place for using the polite form and using the more casual form. So casual version is Ohayou, Ohayou, and formal version is Ohayou-gozaimasu. Next, good afternoon is Konnichiwa, Konnichiwa. Good evening is Konbanwa, Konbanwa. Good night, Oyasumi, Oyasumi. And the polite version of this one is Oyasumi-nasai, Oyasumi-nasai. Nice to meet you is Hajime-mashite, Hajime-mashite. Is nice to meet you. So some of these has polite forms, some of them are the same, like Konnichiwa, Konbanwa, there's no polite form. I think they're both the same. So I think those are just basic 4, it's not 4, it's 5, and 7 if you include the 2 polite forms, Japanese greetings. Just a couple more to add on would be, if you're really new to the language, for example, thank you is Arigato, Arigato. The polite form of this is Arigato-gozaimasu, Arigato-gozaimasu. You're welcome. Do itashimashite, do itashimashite. So I think I'm just gonna keep it at this. So those are Japanese greeting plus couple. I think this is gonna be very useful. Everybody uses it all the time. Like I said, if you started new, maybe better if you go with a polite form. But again, if you're just talking to your friends, that might be unnecessary. So it'll just depend on the circumstance. I hope you liked the video. Like I said, this is a very short one, but just add on to my Japanese conversational videos. So if you like this video, don't forget to go back and check the other conversational Japanese videos. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.